Hi friends, welcome to Rajshri Fashions. Today we are going to see semi-bridal lehenga with top, bottom and dupatta, full embroidery lehenga, and these all are new collections just for the rupees 1000 rupees. So இந்த வாட்டி நம்ம போயிட்டு semi bridal lehenga, semi stitch lehenga just for 1000 rupees plus new collections வந்திருக்கு. இப்போ வந்து wedding seasons போயிட்டு இருக்கு. So customers என்ன think பண்ண one time தான் wear பண்ணனும். So why to waste the money? So now we offer just for 1000 rupees. So please come and have the look of this lehenga. Thank you. Design number 1, mustard color lehenga with soft net fabric with full stone work. Downside வந்து கீழே வந்து full border இருக்கு, full ஜரி work plus stone work இருக்கு, and லெஹங்கால வந்து full all over work இருக்கு, and back side finishing கூட நீங்க பார்த்திக்கலாம், நல்லா finishing இருக்கும். With it's come with the lining, so lehenga will be semi stitch. So you just see the lehenga. दुपट्टा 2.25 வரும், pink color दुपट्टा with 4 side border, நடுவுல வந்து full stone work இருக்கு, and blouse வந்துட்டு like neck design with the sleeves, and you can stitch as a long blouse, short blouse according to your fitting. So this will be the blouse, dupatta and lehenga just for 1000 rupees. Next design, soft net semi bridal lehenga with pink color with full jari embroidery, downside heavy border. It's come with lining, and blouse will be in brocade fabric. This will be the blouse with the front work, back work and sleeves work. So lehenga look will be semi stitch lehenga, and dupatta contrast dupatta in chiffon fabric. So this will be the dupatta, lehenga with dupatta, and the blouse will be in the gold color just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of this lehenga and WhatsApp the number given below. Design number 2, just take the screenshot. Next lehenga, in light pink color with imported net fabric with multicolor thread embroidery. It's a party wear lehenga, and you can see this fabric. It's a full imported fabric, and semi stitch lehenga. It can be fit from the size 34 to 42, any size. And the blouse in raw silk with multicolor thread work, sleeves, back, and dupatta will be in soft net with contrast color combinations with the 4 side border just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below. Just for 1000 rupees. Next lehenga, in magenta color, dark magenta color with full jari work, downside nalla border irukke. It's come with brocade lining. This will be the lining brocade fabric, so with full stone work, and blouse will be in the brocade fabric, and dupatta contrast dupatta in mango yellow color. So contrast color combination just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below just for 1000 rupees. Next lehenga, in red color combination, lightweight lehenga and heavy look. This will be the velvet patch with raw silk patch and full stone work, jardosi work and thread embroidery with brocade lining. Inside the lining will be in the silk fabric lining, brocade silk, and the lehenga will be semi stitch just for 1000 rupees, and the blouse will be in the brocade fabric. So this will be the blouse, contrast blouse in silk, brocade silk, and dupatta in chinon fabric with 4 side border. நடுவில் வந்து full stone work இருக்கு, gold stone. So just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below. Just for 1000 rupees. Red color soft net lehenga, semi stitch bridal lehenga. Next lehenga in crush lining with soft net. So inside lining will be this one will be a Banaras border with multicolor thread embroidery with mirror work, and inside lining given crush fabric. So this will be a crush fabric, and the blouse will be in the brocade fabric. So this will be the blouse in crush fabric, and dupatta in tomato pink color. Just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below, just for 1000 rupees. These all boutique collections and designer piece. Next lehenga in blue color, and inside 3 linings. One is in imported net, crepe and soft net with full embroidery work. So lightweight lehenga, and blouse will be in the brocade fabric. So this will be the blouse fabric, and dupatta in pink color combination, tomato pink, just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Semi stitch bridal lehenga, just for 1000 rupees. Next lehenga in pink combination with full embroidery work and lightweight lehenga. With full stone work, thread embroidery and zari embroidery, lightweight lehenga. And this will be the dupatta with 4 side border. This pallu border will be heavy border. It's in crepe fabric. Just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below, just for 1000 rupees. And the blouse will be heavy blouse. So you can stitch as a long blouse, short blouse. So this will be the blouse fabric. The lehenga just for 1000 rupees, value for money. So buy immediately. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. It's a different color combinations. Next lehenga in soft net with brocade fabric with full heavy work, downside full mirror work, stone work, jardosi work and beads work. And blouse will be in the velvet fabric with the neck patch work. So this lehenga can be fit from size 34 to 44, any size. Semi stitch lehenga, just for 1000 rupees. And dupatta in pure chiffon. in maroon color with the same color combination, contrast combination. Just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below, just for 1000 rupees. Next lehenga in blue combination, full designer lehenga. It's a two layer lehenga with spackle jari sequence work, spackle this jari with the border, and this will be the front front portion. This is a back. Blouse will be full heavy blouse in velvet fabric, semi stitch blouse. This will be the sleeves, and dupatta in light blue color with 4 side border. Just take the screenshot, just for 1000 rupees. Next lehenga in georgette red color, party wear lehenga, semi stitch lehenga with downside beads work, pearl work, zardosi work and hand embroidery work. Lightweight lehenga, and the blouse full heavy blouse. Front, back, sleeves. And this will be the dupatta, short dupatta. This is the modeling image you can see in the video, so I will send you the video of this one. Next lehenga in green combination, with full heavy work, full stone work, and blouse will be in the gold brocade fabric, contrast blouse with pink color combination dupatta in chinon fabric, lightweight. So just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below. Next lehenga, one more in green color. Green lehenga with brocade fabric. This will be the blouse with sleeves work. A lehenga will be full kali style lehenga. Semi stitch lehenga can be size from 34 to 42, any size, with the same matching dupatta with 4 side heavy border, just for 1000 rupees. So just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. So this comes with the beautiful lehenga, just for 1000 rupees with heavy border. You can see the border of this lehenga. It's come with the lining. So please WhatsApp your order immediately, till there's only single piece in stock. Okay, thank you.